Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a reflection effects in Canva step by step. So if you want to make your design look professional and eye-catching in seconds, you can use this hidden trick to create a realistic reflection effects that will make text, photos, and graphics pop. So what you need to do is just prepare and open your design. Here I'm going to use this image and make or add reflections to it. So what you need to do is just go to the apps options in here and then search for the apps called Easy Reflections. Then just open the apps in here. And then you can just, once the app is open, you can just select an element in your design like this and tap on create reflections. So you can use this effect for elements, photos, or maybe graphics. Here you can adjust the positions of the reflections, whether it's below, above, left, or right. Like this. I'm going to go with below. Here you can adjust the offset and also the opacity of the reflection like this. And if you already done with the settings, you can just tap on add to design. So here is the reflection. You can just adjust it so that it aligns like this. You can add into the image also. For example, I'm going to set image as the background, and you can adjust the reflection so that it fits with the original image, just like this. Okay, if it isn't right, you can just delete this one and adjust the offset and the opacity again to how you like it. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also click on the thanks button below. Bye!